I updated bash on my Mac to the latest version, which is version 4.3 right here. The way that I did this is I followed the directions on this blog. The first step was to create a directory, and by the way, that command is not written correctly. It's mkdir. So I created an src directory in my home directory, and then actually he's also missing another command. You have to change directory, do cd into src, and then issue this curl command to download the tar file, and then extract it, and then change into this directory which was created, then run .configure, and then run this make command, and do sudo make install. The other thing that has to be done is I have to use the chsh to change. The chsh, which is the change shell command, apparently only changed the login shell, but it didn't change the default shell that will be executed if I start a subshell. My shell to the shell in this directory. However, there's another step which needs to be done before this in order for it actually to work, because as you can see here, it didn't work for this person. It also didn't work for me either. Okay? So what needs to happen is I needed to edit the etc shells file and include this line like this in that file, and then run the chsh command, that one. And then to test it, do echo $bash version, or even, I guess you could also do this, bash version. Okay, that's not good. Well, I'll work on fixing that. Alright. It's probably, I need to do which bash. Which bash. Okay, I can see it's running the wrong bash. Alright, I'll be fixing that the same way, probably the same way that I fixed, which version of Git was running. Just check out that video to see what I'm gonna do. Okay, I fixed the problem. See, my proof is, when I do bash version, now it says 4.3. And which bash? It says bin bash. Okay, what I did is, first of all, I made the current bash in the bin directory, I made it into bash_back. And then I created a symlink here, bash, which points to the bash 4.3 in usr local bin bash. The command that I used to create the symlink is this one. Okay, and this is how I renamed the current bash in the bin directory. I named it bash back. See, my current directory was the bin directory. By the way, I went back and ran this command because I was going back through the history, and it looked like when I ran the chsh command the first time, I ran it without the sudo command. This time when I ran it with the sudo command, it gave me a different message. Anyways, this time it said changing bash or the shell for root. I don't think I got that same message the first time. Well, I guess the first time I used the chsh, it just changed the shell for my current user, which is Samah Labib. This person. Yeah. Okay, so it's good after I change the shell to verify the version and which binary it's running, and do this under different circumstances. Like, try it one time under the login shell, and then try it again later on in a subshell. And try it maybe as root, and then try it as Samah Labib, Okay. Anyways, it's working now.